Several days later, and after over 400,000 folds, the Great Folding Test Vault 2 is finally over. YouTube channel Mrkeybrd showed a multi-day live stream during which the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5 went head-to-head with the Motorola Razer 40 Ultra, also known as Razer Plus. The Galaxy Z Flip5 was the last phone standing after an impressive 401,156 folds. There were some issues along the way. Around halfway through 223K folds, the hinge lost its ability to maintain half-close angles. Still, the phone kept chugging along until the 400K mark. Samsung is officially advertising only 200,000 folds, which is verified using machines. The company puts things in perspective like so. 200,000 folds is 100 folds a day for 5 years. By the way, Mrkeybrd explains that doing the test by hand is tougher on the phone since humans are not nearly as precise as robots. The robots that neatly fold the phone with perfect alignment and even force. For comparison, the Motorola Razer 40 Ultra failed much earlier. It died at just 126,266 cycles. It started developing issues even sooner, after around 44K folds. This is despite Motorola claiming that the Razer hinge is rated for 400,000 folds, double what Samsung is claiming, but only the Samsung actually got there. By the way, the same channel posted the following video about the Razer's failure, why they think it failed, and how you can try to avoid the same thing happening to your Razer 40 Ultra. And also underlines the point that humans break things faster. That alone really shows what Samsung has pulled off here. 5 generations in, the Galaxy Z Flip5 and the Fold 5 based on the same designs is far more durable than people tend to think. That's further backed up by a classic JerryRigEverything torture test of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, where the foldables hinge, display, and frame hold up to scratches, flames, and an intense bend test. Google's Pixel Fold recently fell apart in that same test, just further fortifying Samsung's lead. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on Z Flip5? Let me know in the comment section. As always, I will see you in the next video. Peace out.